This week's project's 2010 Mustang Black. This paint is in not very good condition, as you can see by how hazy it is. Someone had attempted to buff on the car and left a lot of micro scratching as well as a lot of halos. So we're gonna do what we can to try to get this thing back to a jet black finish. So stay tuned for the results. So as you can see by looking at these photos and videos, the paint is very hazy and opaque looking. There's a couple reasons for this. Some of it is incorrect car washing techniques, which allow a lot of the scratches to get put on the surface. And then, like we said earlier, this someone had attempted to do paint correction on this and either was using the wrong compounds and or wrong equipment, or just didn't have enough experience with doing paint correction. But we did our best to get it back looking as good as we could, and the customer was definitely happy when he picked it up. Corrected. Not corrected. Once all the paint correction was finished, we did a solvent wipe down on the vehicle to remove the oils from polishing, and we applied our Aegis Armors Shield Elite, a do-it-yourself spray-on ceramic that can last up to 12 months. So here's the finished product of the car we started earlier this week. We'll put up some picture-in-picture so you can remember what it did look like. The car is jet black now. All the haziness and halos and scratching is gone. It's not 100% perfect, but it is definitely way better than it was when it got dropped off. Customer's headed up shortly. I think he will be pretty amazed at what it looks like now.